All right, well, hold up. Cooper, hop in.
They're extremely crooked. This will be weird. I'll be hanging off the dyno.
Oh, she sounds healthy. This is, I'm gonna hold on to the top just in case, like, Cooper starts tumbling.
Wow, you're concerned for me? Great.
However, I think that we really are gonna hit right there. You are threading the needle there, my friend. All right, so hold up. All right, there's no way we are gonna make that, lads.
This comes off.
Yeah. It's heavy.
Weighs as much. Actually, we could just put it right here. There's plenty of room.
Doesn't have to come down. The smart car's small enough. All right.
Are you sure you want to do this? It sounds really bad.
Oh, we're gonna find out how bad. Whoa. All right, cowboy. Yeah, it's good right there. All right, so we're gonna do ride-alongs on the dyno here, just to make sure that we don't break traction here. Oh man, thanks, Spider Monkey.
It's so elasticy.
Whoa!
Roll the whole dyno. I'm pretty high up.
All right, so that's going to be the safety chair. This one's going to get all the shrapnel in case something scattered. All right, this is definitely very, very sketchy.
Yeah, you got more tire back on. Oh, that sounds...
It definitely moves over. All right, we got an issue.
We came into a little problem here. Since this thing has a pea shooter exhaust, we had no idea that it was going to be that tiny. So, of course, everything that we have, normally this goes inside of it, so we have a solution.
Is this radiator hose?
Yeah. Never done that before, and I have no idea what the melting point is, but I reckon we're going to find out. We're probably going to make a pull in 4th gear. Oh, jeez.
Sorry.
Okay, we're going to establish a baseline and see if we can make some power. Are you ready to make some power?
Was it like a crazy ride?
The RPMs, it made a lot of noise and went nowhere. You know, that's pretty much what happened there. Oh dang, we made 62.
No,
wait. Yeah. Oh my god.
That's more than I thought it would be.
The enrichment is terrible. All right, so you guys that are new to dynos, this right here is our enrichment. This is the air fuel, and that was 2nd gear, this was 3rd gear, and this is the beginning of 4th. So we actually went in 3rd gear because it downshifted by itself. 62 horsepower, 64 pound-feet of torque. That is the upshift right there. It really is pathetic. We only got enrichment right here. If you'll notice, this is all choppy, and that got smooth where we got enrichment. This thing definitely would make more power if we had more fuel. You good?
Oh yeah, what's the worst that could happen?
Today is the day. Today's the day that we're gonna see a smart car do wheelies on the dyno. Les, if a smart car does wheelies on the dyno, does it lose power?
Ooh.
I mean, you've got the extra load from what we're gonna be pulling on in the back. We're gonna have more strain on it. These are the questions that we must know.
I'm gonna say no.
Laz, we need to see if we can actually make power with this little wagon here. George, today's the day. Let's put a cold air intake on this thing. Let's make some power. Hey, we got questions that need answered.
Paddle shifts mode activated. Oh man, we actually made a lot less power.
Holy crap.
56.9.
Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna lie, that made me horribly uncomfortable.
You can see the car like...
It made you
I know.
uncomfortable.
Oh my gosh. I'm like, he's gonna keep going and going.
That was the full rev right there. That was the full
So
rev.
I lost power?
Horsepower.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, that's so perfect. Woo! Genuine. Well, so George, what do you got here?
Got burned a couple times, man. This thing puts off some heat.
Well, after we did like about 3 pulls in a row.
We're gonna try to get a little You want to tell him or you want me to tell him?
Go ahead, you go.
We're going to try to boost this thing to the 24 volts. Milwaukee style.
All right, hold on. So first I want to put a cold air on it, see how that does. But next, again, we got a little force induction here. All right, I want to see what that itty bitty teeny tiny teensy weensy little throttle body looks like. I mean, I bet it's like. In the meantime, Laz, let's fashion up some duct tape right here, and if we need to, so he can probably reach that from there, and we can go get an elbow. We just need to adapt from there to there. I think we got this.
Okay.
It is the cutest throttle body I've ever seen.
Look at that thing.
Yeah, I mean, we're not making it any better by porting it. I think that they felt sorry for it, and they were like, all right, we can't
Give it all the juice.
It's a wee little guy. Actually, you know what, dude? Our bypass valve on our blowers is twice that size. No lie.
Yeah, you know what? A funny story would be is that actually we could have our LSA blower and we could run the freaking bypass valve and it would make some boost.
It would definitely.
For sure. For sure. All right, let's get our cold air on there and see if we can make some power like that. So we just got to reduce down to that, and then next we're going force induction. All right, this is a custom cold air Smart Car V1. I like your copious use of
V1?
Yeah, version 1. Version 1.
Version 1, yeah.
All right, so make sure to get as much dirt in that as possible. I like how you work your duct tape. It needs to be tight with lots of creases. That's our air filter right there. All right, you got good bondage there?
Not quite.
Got to just slap our cold air on there. We were trying to keep the dirt out, but inevitably, yeah.
You got RPM there, Boatman?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's do this.
It's so loud.
Nothing.
Nothing at all.
61.2, that is pathetic.
All right, do a wheelie and
Wheelie?
let's see what happens.
Will it make more power doing a wheelie?
Absolutely. And if not, it makes more cool power.
I'm telling you, when we do that, there has to be something like oil going up into the crank. I mean, like mid-pull, as we really got to the arc right there, the power did drop, no question. There has to be something like oil hitting the crank or something. I mean, it
Yeah,
is
but coolness factor
way more
makes
cooler.
up for it, so who cares?
It was
How many
freaking
wheelies have you
awesome.
done?
It is sketchy doing
Is it
that,
your
man.
first wheelie on the dyno?
Well, no, it's not. This is my first car that I've ever done a wheelie on a dyno. Yes, yeah, I think so.
What did you think I was asking?
I mean, this is the first.
I mean, like,
Yeah. Okay. Well,
Back in '87 on
Glad-
BMX.
glad we clarified that. All right, force induction time.
spray it. Get the bottle.
No, we're not.
Get the
No,
blower.
I don't want to. No, we're not spraying it.
Let's put a blower on it real quick.
But
yeah.
Dad.
Oh yeah, I feel the back pressure. That's boost.
Oh, dude, that's totally going in. You count down there, right?
All right. Oh, it's pulling a nice vacuum on the blower. Look at that air fuel. A little.
That made 3 horsepower on a probably a pretty tired Milwaukee.
Look at the mid range though.
It legitimately picked up power right there. All right, peak power was pathetic, you know, and the whole thing's
The
pretty
whole thing's pathetic.
pathetic, yeah.
Picked up 2 across the board.
But we picked up like 2 or 3 out
All right,
across
now
the board.
wheelie, see what it makes.
I don't know why we keep doing that.
Cause it's awesome.
Like, who are you?
All right, so it might have been rod knocking there.
Yeah,
Laz,
he's checking the oil.
yeah, Laz checked the oil on that.
See? Full of oil. At least halfway.
About it.
Now we're good. What?
Dude, you
straight
got a little
pipe it?
trigger happy with this right here.
I mean, wouldn't you?
I'm like,
You're
hey,
in
can
control
I?
of the boost.
I'll give you the signal, and you're like, what?
I already had a bang. I just slung it on the floor. All right, so we're straight piping it, boss man.
Anyways, there's a little area right down here. That would be the easy spot right there. Honestly,
Hold the
you could
car
probably
down.
put a unibit in there. Drill it and put a unibit. Yeah. Going for the pie cut, huh?
Yeah.
Sorry, am I talking a little out here? So if we cut in sideways right there, we should pretty much be able to achieve the same thing. What I was saying is I was trying to stop you before you went all the way through, so we had a little something to hang on to. Smart car exhaust bypass, V1.
Sound check.
Oh, Brody.
That's
Brody little three banger.
sounds like a little street bike.
Oh, that's perfect, huh?
My wife's reaction is perfect. She's just like scowled and was like, ugh, that's awful. Come on, dude, we got a ripper. Alright, lads, you sure we're not gonna melt our straps right there?
No, we're good.
It's not an actual strap. It's not the main strap.
Yeah, it'll be alright.
All right, guys, biggest wheelie yet. I don't care if it loses power every time. It's still better than making more power.
Yes! 69 horsepower, literally. Alright, alright. I really like it. I really like it. I'm feeling good. We've picked up about 10% horsepower with some minimal modifications, and that's pretty good.
Budget-friendly modification.
Budget-friendly modifications. In fact, we could return to stock if needed,
Plus, it
in case we wanted to sell it, but that's probably not going to happen because
In case we wanted to sell it.
I love this thing.
No one's gonna buy this.
Well, not at this contraption right now. Actually,
Buy it.
Yeah, somebody would buy it.
yeah. Actually, it's probably
Now it's more
it's
desirable.
a hot commodity right now. Well, fellas, this has been a eye-opening experience. Some stuff was definitely a flop, but some stuff was absolutely successful. I had no idea that how Wheelies was going to turn out. In conclusion of Smart Car Shenanigans, Episode 2. This has been a hell of a lot of fun. We need some more ideas. If you guys have any ideas, throw something out there. Mention it in the comments. God bless you guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next episode.
Wowzers. Can't believe he didn't tell you guys to go check out the Fasterproms store, where you can get hats, t-shirts, lanyards, and stickers. Even stickers with Jeremy's face on them. Anything you want, anything you need. Back to you, Jeremy.
I got nothing.